Every job posting says the same thing. Entry level but must have 2 to 3 years of experience. Wait, how is that even possible? Here's the harsh truth. Entry-level jobs are disappearing, and it's not your fault. Today I'll explain why it's happening and what you can do to break through the barrier. Hi and welcome back to Explore with Starlight, where we talk career growth, HR, and the future of work. In 2025, starting your career feels harder than ever. AI, automation, and corporate downsizing are reshaping the job market, and many companies are quietly removing entry-level roles altogether. Let's start with the big one, automation. AI tools are now handling what junior staff used to do: data entry, scheduling, research, even customer service. Instead of hiring assistants or interns, companies use software. It's cheaper, faster, and doesn't take vacations. That means fewer training opportunities for humans just starting out. The second reason, companies don't want to train anymore. They want employees who can hit the ground running. Training takes time and money, and with tight budgets, many organizations are cutting entry roles to save costs. So they post junior jobs that secretly expect mid-level experience. There's also degree inflation: too many graduates, too few true entry positions. When more people hold degrees, employers raise the bar just to filter candidates. That's why a role that once needed a diploma now asks for a master's plus experience. So what can you do? Start by building proof, not just credentials. Create a portfolio, volunteer, or take on freelance projects, anything that shows real results. Even a small project can demonstrate initiative and skill. Next, think micro-experience, short-term internships, online apprenticeships, or virtual assistant work. These build credibility fast and show employers you've done real work, even if it wasn't full-time. Finally, network smarter, not harder. Many opportunities are never posted publicly. Join professional communities, reach out to mentors, and comment on LinkedIn posts. Connections can open doors that job boards won't. To survive in today's job market, learn AI and digital tools. Build a portfolio to show, don't just tell. Gain experience anywhere you can. Grow your network. The entry-level crisis is real, but so are your chances if you stay proactive. Don't wait for the perfect job to appear. Build your experience from where you are. If this video helped you see things differently, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's still job hunting. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.